What do you do when you suffer with chronic ill health, but you've been told not to practice your craft? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the difference in why people with chronic ill health can practice and what you do to aid yourself. So if you're interested, keep watching. So today I wanted to talk about what do you do if you are a person that wants to do their craft, wants to carry on doing things spiritually, but has a lot of sickness, has a lot of ill health. It was drummed into me when I was training in the coven and in any psychic work that if you were not well, you should never partake in anything like that. And that is fine. That is fine if it's a sickness that you're getting a one-off, like the flu or something like that, an accident, or somewhere where you are not up to par and you need to really sit back and only do it when you're strong enough. But what happens if you are somebody that has chronic health issues but still want to practice? Well, as a sort of person myself, I can honestly tell you that the guides, the helpers, the deity, they know where you're at and they know what you should and shouldn't be doing. But you don't just sit back when you have time off from it, doing nothing. There are things that you can do that will help you in your magical work, in your path, that you can still do when you're not well. Just like lately with myself, with my health issues, yes, I was unable to make videos because I couldn't see properly, but doesn't mean that I need to shut off from my practice. And so I like to call it getting some healing from those that I work with, but not just asking them to heal by going to my sanctum, going to my extra temple, the one that isn't within me, the one that is my safe place, which I call my temple, but for others might just be their favourite place to be. So you would, in fact, astral travel or visualise your place where you would like to go, and once there you visualise a place with water. Now that could be a beautiful bath like the Roman bath, or the sea, or a beautiful lake. You get the drift. Anywhere where there is water and fire and earth and air. So you could visualize the seaside, an empty, beautiful sandy beach with a beautiful calm sea, and you have the air breezing through your hair, and there would be a small fire on the beach to give that energy feel, to give that warmth when it got dark, because you don't have to do it in the daylight. It could be at night when you can see a moon in the sky, and this place can become your safe healing sanctum, your very own, the place that you go when you're not well to receive the abundance from the cosmos and from the deities and the helpers and those that you work with to aid all the others on the earth. When you are in need, you go and seek help. You don't just give up, sit back until you are better. You give it everything you've got, Because what is the point of having all this if you cannot get help for yourself? You hear people say, oh well, I'm not meant to have that for me, it's only for other people. No, we have our will to bend. We have our will to change things. A witch changes things. To bend, to manoeuvre, to turn into something better. And you are worth it. So what we do is we make our favourite place, a place that we can find it easily in our mind, and spend time there. Going into the water and letting it flow over you. The healing waters. The Great Mother in the charge of the goddess says, whenever ye have need of anything, once in the month, and better it be when the moon is full, there shall ye assemble, ye who are fain to learn all sorcery, yet have not won its deepest secrets. To these I will show things yet unknown, and ye will be free from slavery. And as a sign of that, ye shall be naked in your rights. I won't go on, because obviously the charge is a very long invocation, but the words speak true to the witch within. You go to that power, that source, that energy, and you seek that for yourself. You don't give up. So if you're not well and it's a chronic condition, instead of trying to get over it on your own, you will go into your meditative state and you will build your sanctum. Now it might be in the woods, or it might be in a temple, it might be all sorts of areas, places that really speak to you. At the end of the day, it's a stable place you feel safe in. You can even invite your deity or your helpers. You can call in animals, your own within. You can ask for that help. But by going to that energy, you are helping yourself. You are bringing that power back into you and aiding you. So again, I'd like to take you on a journey to mine and show you how I do mine. So if you'd like to get comfortable in a nice seat, I'm going to hold my light because I will be looking into my light, because it helps me when I look into the light of power, of fire, that changes things, that sustains life, that gives us everything we need for our existence. And you too can do the same, guys. You can light that candle and just relax and look into it and just sense that you are safe and that you are okay and that you need this to aid you in your health. And so when we look into the flame, we start to visualize where I'm going to take you, and that is to my temple. Now my temple is up in the sky, so we visualize the sky and we visualize ourselves going up into the sky, floating higher and higher into the clouds. They're all fluffy and white. And as we go through the clouds, in front of you is a Roman-style building, like the old temples in Rome, with big pillars, all in pure white marble. But even though they look Roman, upon the pillars are all the runes, the Nordic runes, beautifully painted in gold and blue, and the door above it has a symbol of strength, of Uruz. As you walk up to the door, there are 2 huge fire pits each side with flames that are very tall, and the doors open in front of you as if they knew you was coming to them. And you walk through these beautiful doors that are pure marble in gold and blue, with symbols of healing. You go through the doors, and in front of you is a robe, and it is pure white. You get changed now into that robe. Take your clothes off. Feel the nakedness as you take the clothes off, and just put them on the side and put the robe on. You walk through this beautiful room with huge windows letting light flood in, and you feel that warmth that's coming through the windows of the sun. Now you walk through another door, and in front of you is a pool of water with steps leading down into it, and it is the most purest water you have ever seen in your life. It is beautiful colour, blue, but it still has tinges of green within it and gold, like a rainbow running through it. Above the water is like steam, but it's not. It is like a pure energy, not steam. It is like a haze. You feel drawn to this. So you walk down with your beautiful white robe into the water. And as you walk down, it starts to engulf you. Not like normal water, guys, but like a warmth that grows all around you and smooths over you and makes you feel soothed to the very part of your soul. All aches and pains, all problems disappear into the past, and you are just in the moment. You feel supported, nurtured, warm, and it's like you never want to leave. It feels so good. Now you lay there in this beautiful place and relax. Relax. At this point, guys, you can ask any questions of your guides and helpers or of your deities. You can invite them to come and share in the water with you, that they may answer any questions that you have, that they may aid you or give you ideas of how you can manage with your conditions, and stay there for as long as you like. But today, as it is my place, we're going to walk out the other side of the water on the steps. And as you walk up the steps, you don't feel like you did before you went in. You feel lighter, you feel happier, you feel more at peace, ready to get on with your life, ready to go back and be able to get through what you're going through. And so you thank those that have been with you, and you then find yourself back at the door, and your clothes are there. But your clothes have been given a clean. You can re-put them on, and once you've got yourself dressed, we float ourselves backwards, taking deep breaths, coming back, and then the next thing is you can see the flame in front of your eyes. And there you go, guys. There you go. You're back, and you can put your flame down. Now these exercises that I want you to do, and these things are to aid you so that you can be strong in what you have to go through, and you can get on with your life and do your practice with no problems. You can still practice magic with chronic ill health. What they mean by don't practice with ill health is if it's something like the flu or something that you will be getting over, not staying with you. So I hope that's helped. Just a quick one, and I wanted to get that out there for anybody out there that suffers with these chronic health issues. And just so as you know, deity, helpers, guides, they all have a heart, and they want what's best for you, just like you want what's best for those around you. And so take a moment for yourself, grow in that lovely healing, use it whenever you need it. It's there for you. You're not being avoided or not given because you're the one doling it all out. You need it too, and that is what the point of this was. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to those that are always here, always supporting this channel and myself. And I hope you're all well. I hope everybody's okay. And so wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be, I wish you the best ever. House of Alang.